Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about soft contact lens material. The original hydrogel contact lenses are made by polymers, hydroxyethyl methacrylate HEMA. The hydroxyethyl methacrylate chains are cross-linked by an ethyl glycodimethacrylate bridge. Hydroxyethyl methacrylate is still the basic contact lens material in use as the soft contact lens material. Some of physical properties needed in these contact lens materials are: number 1, water content. The water content of the soft material ranges from 38% to 80%. Less than 40% are called low water content contact lens. 40 to 55% are mid water content contact lens. More than 55% are called high water content contact lens. The higher the water content, greater is the oxygen permeability. The low water contact lens have the advantage of being stable, easier to handle, easier to manufacture, more weightable, but have a major drawback of having low oxygen permeability. High water contact lens, on the other hand, have higher oxygen permeability but are less stable, fragile, more deposit prone, difficult to manufacture, less dimensions, stability, and thicker due to their lower refractive index. So, what is oxygen permeability? Contact lens is the barrier which reduces the amount of oxygen reaching the cornea. The value of oxygen permeability is the indicator for measuring this barrier. Higher value indicates that more oxygen can reach the cornea. Oxygen permeability is the value for the diffusivity, that is D, of the oxygen goes through the lens times solubility, that is K. Therefore, the oxygen permeability is determined by the material of the lens and has nothing to do with its shape or curve design. So, water content, one of the most important parameters when choosing quality of contact lenses. Water moisturizing the contact lens and it makes them softer and more comfortable to wear. Number 2, elasticity. The soft contact lens material has to be elastic so that it can survive the repeated stress of insertion and removal. It should recover its shape very rapidly after stress. Number 3, ionicity. The soft contact lens material can be classified into two groups based on ionicity. One is ionic and another one is non-ionic. The ionic material contains a net negative charge on the surface and the non-ionic have no net charge. The ionic materials are more prone to deposits due to the net surface charge and have better wettability than non-ionic lens material. So what is ionic? It is chemical bond formed by the electrostatic attraction of oppositely charged ions. In ionic contact lens deposition is high because of net negative charge. And what is non-ionic contact lens? It is not ionic, especially not depend on the surface active anion for effect non-ionic surfactants. And what is net negative charges? This is an ion is an atom that has lost one or more electrons, giving it a net positive charge, that is cation, or that has gained one or more electrons, giving it net negative charge, that is anion. The most common compounds added to HAMA to make new generation hydrogels, which are PVP, polyvinyl pyrrolidone, MA, methacrylic acid, MMA, methyl methacrylate, GMA, glyceryl methacrylate, DAA, dicetone acrylate, PVA, polyvinyl alcohol. So these are the material of soft contact lens. Thank you.